Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you some tips to improve your video quality for your smartphone. So I'm going to make this video go from this to this. Alright, so what do you guys think when I went from that last shot to this shot? Does it look better? Yes, no, maybe? So I think it looks a lot better. So how I was able to do this is going through the camera settings. And so I'm using like the Galaxy Note 9, and they have like a pro video mode. This allows you to be able to like kind of utilize like your all the settings. So I set like my ISO, I set my shutter speed. I'm recording at 30 frames per second. So the rule is to set your shutter speed 2 times of that, so the video doesn't look weird. So it would look really like your fingers and stuff wouldn't match right if the shutter speed isn't 2 times that. And then also another thing is the ISO is very important. So if you're running everything auto, it has a tendency to really push the ISO really high. So I want to say anything past like 800, you're going to start losing like a lot of quality in your video. So you'll see a bunch of dots in your video. And so I just ended up choosing around 200, 300 for my ISO. That way I can keep like a lot of the image quality in the video. And so not just like utilizing like the pro camera, but also using like a tripod. So this allows me to move the camera more flexible anywhere in my room. And so putting it closer to the light source is definitely going to help improve like your overall shot. But then also I want to choose this shot because then I can have like a more interesting type background. And so having like a tripod is really helpful. But at the same time, with the location that I chose, which is further away from my light source, I need to now add an additional light source. So that's why I have this camera ring light thing over here. So I have this thing over here. It's acting as like another light source. This helps tremendously for like recording like a video, because sometimes you just need more light if you want to make your subject stand out. And so that's like another thing I did, is I added like another layer as well, like a physical layer. Like changing like the outfit can also really impact like the shot as well, because if I were to continue to wear this shirt, it's gonna kind of blend me with the background, as this is also white. Wearing white, you're not popping out. So wearing like black if like your background's white, or vice versa, or you can add in other colors and tones. And also I chose this as like my background because I think it's like more interesting versus kind of just having like nothing in the background. So try to think about like how you can incorporate more things to make your background look more interesting. And so I don't have a lot of fancy lights and stuff, so that's why I'm utilizing this as kind of like a background light. So hope this was helpful. I wanted to kind of like challenge myself to kind of use like a more difficult, well, I guess using smartphones is very easy, but I wanted to make it look good. I want to stay on the same quality as like my DSLRs that I have. And so that was like the whole point of this video, is how can you make like your smartphone videos look better. And so if this did help you at all, make sure you leave a like, comment below if you have any questions. I'll definitely answer them. And then also subscribe for future videos. I'm definitely gonna maybe try some other things. Other than that, I will see you guys next time, and peace. Subscribe.